new video where we are going to be looking at different tools in ArchiCAD. So we can start by the process of opening the ArchiCAD template 27. We come to, because here you find very many my previous projects and so on and so forth. Select ArchiCAD 27 template, then default profile, then lastly click on new. So in this video we are going to look at tool by tool. We're going to look at the wall tool, the column tool, slab, doors, the door tool, the window tool, object tool, zoning tool, how those different tools can be used to achieve a good architectural drawing. So we have a number of design tools which we can start with. So there are also document tools. So to start with, we have the window tool, have the column tool, have the beam tool, have the slab tool, have the roof tool, have the shell tool, have the stair tool, railing tool, curtain walling tool, the door tool, window tool, skylight tool, opening tool, the zoning, mesh tool, the morph tool, object, the lamp tool, equipments, among others. So you find that each of these tools serve a given purpose. To start with, specifically in this video, we are going to look at the wall tool. So when we double click on the wall tool, a window will pop up which will display the settings that can be done. So under a wall tool, before you start drawing, ensure that the following settings are done. Make sure that this one which is selected, such that it gives you the allowance to change the thickness of the wall. Let's say 200. That's my thickness of the wall. Ensure it's this one that is selected and this one. You can leave the generic structure. Ground floor current, meaning we're in the ground floor. Home story, home plus, project 0, our will start from 0, and it will have a height of 3000, which is the standard height that is very limited. Floor section, how it will appear in the floor and the section. This is how it will appear. When you look at the model, that's when you can assign different colors: stucco yellow rough, stucco yellow rough. When I lock, meaning all the walls will have same. choose a given type of color I want for my wall. It can be done here under model. Easy. Under model. Then we ensure that this one it is zone boundary. Structure parameters. Class parameters. Vertical positioning. How maybe what we can look at also is the reference line here. Under reference line, we can look at where will your reference line be as you're drawing the wall. Outside, center, inside, depending on where and what. Can set outside, but now when it comes to the inside of the room, and you may need to change it outside. That one can be done. When that one is done, structure bearing, then click OK. Then there you can start drawing wall. So as you're drawing, you can see here we have different types. Geometrical method curved, the geometrical method tripartite, the geometrical method polygonal, then the geometrical method continuous or straight, single, chain, rectangular. So here there are very many. As you can see, we have the straight, have the continuous, have the rectangular, the diagonal, rectangular, cone. These are the ones we have. So depending on what you have selected, this is continuous. Hit. That's our wall. So if you remember in our previous videos, in our first videos, we talked about the initial settings that can be performed before we start drawing ArchiCAD. Maybe remind ourselves, and due to the fact that our first videos were not so clear, you will allow me to repeat them.